Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the bonus chapter of Miss Gu and Miss Su, bonus chapter 1. So here it is, let's read the story. Do what to do with me. Right now, Xiao Jing, she was on top. She moved closer to Xiao Su. Xiao Shu, it seems that she was really getting shy. I'm just a little devil, Xiaojing said to her. Right now, she's patting her head. Yes, what else can I do to you? Xiaojing, she become tricky. Wow, you're a champion. All the crowds are hailing champion. Well, it seems that she was really acting the best actress today. Indeed, the interpretations of GC group is so wonderful. Champion, I declared, the cross the dressing show is Demons and Angel. Turns out the two of them win. Xiaojing, she really act well. This is our prize. Later, Ferris wheel will clear. Scene for you, only the two of you. You will often eat for an hour. Looking at Xiaojing right now. Excuse me, you're really not a star. I always feels like you're familiar. Well, it turns out the two of them are having fun this night. Especially, they're acting like a normal people. Xiaojing said, many people have said that. But we are not. Xiaoxing, you don't have to force yourself to accompany me just because I said I want to come to the amusement park, Xiaoxi said to her. But right now Xiaojing, she was really willing to go to the park together with Xiaosu. Of course, it's like the date to the two of them. Right now, they're going to enter on Ferris wheel. Xiaojing said it was driving slowly. Look at her. She was acting like a child. She was really happy seeing the view. Xiaojing, when she looked back, seems to be puzzled. She was only seeing Xiaosu, but she kept herself silent. Probably right now. Xiaojing said to her, it is your first time to take skyscraper around. Oh, Xiaojing, did she really want to tease her? Because Xiaoshu right now, it seems that she was really afraid on heights. Xiaojing, how do you know? Well, she really kept herself silent. Of course, it was easy to guess that maybe she was really afraid. Because it's my first time with the person I like. Two of them were in a small space together, so quiet that they could hear each other's heartbeat. For now, the clouds, we are too high. Xiaojing moved closer to her. Suddenly she said, do you want to? Xiaojing, she paused. Well, maybe she's a little bit discomfort. Because right now, maybe she feel dizzy. Of course, Xiaoshu. He was teasing her again and said, try what? He's a little bit smiling to her. I have seen the statement on the internet. Xiaojing said to her. Well, right now, Xiaojing, she was really good at conveying her feelings. If couples kiss at the highest points of the Ferris wheel, they will keep going forever. Oh, if that's true, well, it was really easy for them. Suddenly, Xiaosu, she kissed her on the lips. Well, they are on the highest point right now. Xiaoju, she won't let it slide. She really kissed her quickly. Suhishi, I want to be with you forever. Oh, this is really sweet. Xiaojing, right now, she was really vocal to her feelings. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!